Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you how to make SPA in Next.js in 5 minutes. So friends, before starting, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Next.js updates. Friends, here we go. So friends, on my screen you can see Next.js is working fine with bootstrap styling. So friends, for layout I have used bootstrap 4. So friends, here you can see nav menu with some pages navigation about fact, contact, service and home page. So friends, now I'm going to show you SPA example about fact, contact, service. So friends, you can see the page title is changing when I navigate to one menu to other. So friends, have you seen SPA in Next.js is working fine? So friends, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside the video description and you can get the code easily. And friends, if you still have any kind of query, suggestion or new requirement, then you can comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside the video description. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.